Hey everyone, John Showalter here, Customer Success Coach with Bright. Today we're going to be taking a look at two recent system improvements to hopefully improve your experience within Bright, especially in search. First one, we are in residential sales search. We'll scroll down here to the bottom. You'll see this HOA condo co-op amenities field that I've added in. You can do that through this additional fields, add, remove, search for this field, and then add it in. Once it's added, you can then search through this list to find the criteria you're looking for. In this case, pickleball courts is what I'll select. That is the most recently added field that you can now search by. And you can also add this when you're uploading a listing as well. So that's our first system update. Second is in the results tab, which will jump over here to a page that has results. I'm going to move my window around here. And this is the ability to jump quickly to the top or bottom of results. So if you're going through, you've got maybe your page set to 50 or 250 in the results, you can jump straight to the bottom or straight to the top of those results to find exactly what you're looking for, or just jump simply to the top or the bottom of the page. Those are your tips. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help.